Over 2 million Christmas lights transform this small Florida town into a holiday wonderland every year. This is Mount Dora, a family tradition for me since 2010. We're flying in from Seattle. My partner Erin's sister, Carrie, and her husband, Jim, host our Christmas gatherings. And there's not much need for a fireplace in Central Florida.
Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go.
During the holidays, Mount Dora feels like a Christmas movie set, all vintage storefronts and twinkling charm. From the giant Christmas tree at Sunset Park to the farmer's market, it's pure small-town magic. Lake Dora steals the show. Boat tours through the canals offer a glimpse of old Florida. It's almost like being on the African Queen. Gilbert Park has local art and the town's signature lighthouse. Palm Island's boardwalk, shaded by oaks and palms, feels like nature's cathedral. Boardwalks make Florida so much more accessible. Birdwatchers love it here. Ospreys and bald eagles glide over the lake. Herons wade in the shallows. For a livelier pace, there's the holiday half marathon. Runners pass right by Carrie and Jim's house while the dogs cheer from the curb.
If you go cruising downtown, it's a curtain of lights.
At night, Mount Dora glows, drenched in those 2 million Christmas lights. It's festive, warm, and full of wonder.
Now who said Christmas must be white? I don't think Bing Crosby got that right.
For me, Mount Dora at Christmas means family, tradition, and a little magic that brings us back every year. Merry Christmas from our family to yours.